Hi, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Thank you for joining me here today for this reveal of a Prada bag from an outlet which I bought recently and which is a style of a bag I totally love and admire and I love using. So let's get into it. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Natalia and I'm a self-admitted shameless shopaholic and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you enjoy shopping, especially luxury designer handbags, but also non-designer fashion and all the fun stuff we women enjoy, please consider joining my anonymous shopaholic club down below so we stay in this addiction together. Recently I showed you one of the Prada bags that I bought in an outlet, which has actually been bought a year ago, almost a year ago. And very recently I bought another bag of the same style but a different color. Because you know me, the same bag, another color is a different bag. And I am a collector and if I like the style, I would love to have them in all the colors of the rainbow. Plus the neutrals. Probably you can see the color peeking through a little bit, so let's not keep you any longer and let's show you the bag. So this video will be probably very quick, but I want to share the bag and also prove that I'm actually buying the same style of bag because I really like it. So without further ado, this is the new addition to the collection, a Prada camera bag with the single zip in this beautiful bright red color. So I was looking on those Prada camera bags since last year when I found the first one, the off-white, which I shared with you very recently. And I already knew that it's not gonna be the only one in my collection. And if I find some nice colors in outlets, because this bag is only available in Prada outlets. The double zip, it's a chunkier one, and maybe it's also slightly like bigger in taller, but for sure it's much chunkier. And personally, I actually don't like that big chunky bag, so I really like that single zip camera bag from Prada. I really like the leather. It's a pebbled leather, and it doesn't scratch. You can, of course, if you work hard on it, then for sure it will scratch. But just with normal use, you don't get marks on this bag. Features of the bag, of course, it's the same like the white one. It has that leather strap which you can remove here and attach a chain or something else, maybe like a little top handle chain, which you can make it kind of more evening style. And the strap, again, it has that leather piece that makes it comfortable on the shoulder. Inside it has that black classic Prada lining, and it has one zip pocket on the back and one like this slit pocket at the front of the bag. And the bag was, of course, not made in Italy, and it was made in Turkey, which I don't know if the previous one is made in Romania. So apparently they make bags in Romania, in Turkey, and who knows where else. I don't know if one is better than the other. So the color of the bag is very rich, bright red, but it's not a red that has too much like warm tone and not really too much of cool tones. It's a very beautiful bright red, which really caught my attention, and I really loved that. And it's a very different color to my YSL college bag. So it's not the same red like I have on other bags, and it's of course a little bit different style. So well, I don't know why I even try to justify myself. I would buy it anyway because I like it. I don't know why, but I have a little obsession about camera bags. I really don't understand why. Well, of course, they are very practical and I really do enjoy the simplicity of them. And I think this Prada, I will tell you something. I think in my sick brain, these simple camera bags from Prada, which are available in many colors, are like classic flaps or Birkins or Kellys, because it's like a very simple design, very simple bag, very usable bag, but you can get them in all the colors of the rainbow and whatever else you want. So I think that's why I really like them. I think they are my version of the classic flap. Here are the booklets, so let me tell you maybe what is the color. Okay, here it's Rosso. It just says the color is Rosso. So that's not very helpful, I guess. You know what? I'm actually kind of impressed by Prada with their attention to details. Like that little, card, which is the authenticity card, which I guess it doesn't mean really anything for the bag being authentic or not, because obviously they can fake it. But even for the items made for outlets only, they actually bother to give you that authenticity card. And even for some little pouches, like the nylon pouches, they give you that authenticity card, which is actually, I don't know, I think it's a nice detail. So I really enjoy Prada for this kind of stuff. Like, we know how Louis Vuitton is, like there is nothing really in there, it's just box, and recently apparently there is a bit of tissue paper. So I enjoy the, you know, the extra stuff, like the more luxury feeling when you buy things. That's why we are paying for those super expensive things. Because let's be honest, I used Michael Kors bag, the camera bags that the camera bag from Michael Kors, which I made a review ages ago before I stopped recording on YouTube, on my previous attempt to have a channel on YouTube. It's still available, by the way, if you want to check it out, if you like Michael Kors. I still have that bag. I stopped wearing the bag after I made that video. I kind of tried to save the bag a little. And you know, you don't have to pay for Prada, you don't have to pay for Saint Laurent or Louis Vuitton. Like, you can get the Michael Kors bag and it will do the same, or if not better, actually. But we are paying for the luxury, for the brand. So there should be something else coming with it, in my opinion, at least. Price of the bag. So I even found the booklet that I was given. Like, look at this, they also gave me this. And by the way, a funny thing, they asked me if I want the box. So obviously me, yes, I want the box. And she gave me that brown cardboard box, like the box that they would ship something in it, like, you know, the completely ugly cardboard box. Box, and I was like, okay, I didn't think it was that. Because for the shoes in outlets, they give you like a normal, proper, nice box. But maybe because the shoes are always sold in boxes, I don't know. But that was funny. I was like, oh, I didn't expect that's the box you are talking about. Anyway, I got the receipt, and the bag was 630 euro. And that is more than I paid for the white one, which I still cannot remember how much I paid for it. 560 or 580 euro. So I noticed that this year things went up, and they don't give you on the receipt, like here is the receipt, they don't give you the price before and after. And I noticed that in the outlets they usually make sure to take the tag off the bag, so you cannot see how much it was supposed to be the retail price. It happened to me with many outlets, pretty much all of them. If I had the tags with the prices, it was just probably when they forgot to remove them. I hope you enjoyed the video. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending some time with me, and until next time, don't forget to enjoy your life. Bye guys.